respected dignitaries, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, let me express my gratitude to Father T.A. Idayadi for the beautiful message on emotional connection, the importance of emotional connection in today's world, and Principal Sunitha ma'am's words on the importance of expressing gratitude. Further, I express my gratitude to Dr. Worki Abraham Kachanath. Sir, I'm so honored by your words of appreciation of setting me as a role model for the young students who are graduating today. It's extremely an humbling experience for me to come here as a proud alumnus of this remarkable institution, Good Shepherd Public School. I've come here after a long gap of 9 years. And I still remember my first day at school. I was just 7 years old, a little nervous kid wearing her grey pinafore. And from then on, the school has guided me in all its best ways possible. As Idayadi Achan has already said, the set of core value systems, empathy, sympathy, resilience, emotional connections, gratitude, grit, perseverance, I've learned it from my schooling days in this institution. Further, beyond the classroom, the school has given me a lot of opportunities to develop my leadership skills, to develop my qualities as an orator, as a debater. It was with so much pride I represented school in different stages and levels of competition. Further, the school also gave me an opportunity to be part of the prestigious Akhila Kerala Balajana Sakyam. Now, as Sunitha ma'am, since she said that we have to express gratitude, I think I should take this minute to express my heartfelt gratitude to those beautiful people who have guided me in this journey. I owe a debt of gratitude to our then manager, late Professor P.C. Elias sir. I remember how sir's words, his motivation, his leadership skills and vision has inspired not just me but all the students who were here during his tenure. I remember when I got into University of Hyderabad for BA Economics program, I called sir. He was very proud and he said, it's a campus which is very similar to the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. And 3 years down the line, I got into JNU for master's program in economics, but unfortunately, sir was no longer there with me or with us to share this happiness. I miss presence of such people in today's world. Had he been here, he would have been there with his eyes gleamed in pride, wearing a khadi kurta and golden frame spectacles. I also take this opportunity to thank all my teachers who have taught me in this institution. Some of them have sadly left us, but it would be an injustice from my side if I don't take their names. My first class teacher, Sanju Miss, Sharada Miss, Sumangala Miss, Margaret Miss, Prema Koshi Miss, Rosalind Miss. I'm sorry if I've not taken any of their names, but I'm really grateful for the infinite love and guidance they have given us while we were here. It was not just academic doubts, but the connection which we had with our teachers were much, much beyond that. We could approach them not just for the class doubts, but also for any kind of personal tensions that we were going through. We had that space. And we had the confidence that they would respect our privacy, our respect they have given to us. Further, the teachers who are still teaching here, they have guided our generation and they are guiding your generation as well. Thank you so much, all of you, for being there with the new generation as well. I take this opportunity to appreciate the new school management and also the new set of staffs and the new set of leadership and guidance provided, I noticed a lot of changes in terms of infrastructure qualities in the school, which is really commendable. Further, I was having a conversation with Biji Beben Miss last year, and she was telling that there's a new humanities batch here, and there's a lot of options in terms of the courses you can take. I feel really jealous because during our time we didn't have these opportunities. So it's quite commendable that the school is taking its role and initiative in being with the momentum and being with the dynamic educational and employment ecosystem of the country. And further, to my dear students who are graduating today, the 24-25 batch, I believe in your potential. I believe in your promise. I'm sure that all of you have immense potential to reach where you are destined to be. But provided you have the willpower to overcome the deadly distractions and antisocial elements quite persistent in today's world. And I'm sure that you know very well what I'm talking about. So this is a place where you can actually commit mistakes. Because here when you commit a mistake, there are a lot of people to guide you, to correct you, to be there behind you persistently. But once you're out of this protected institution, things take a different shape. Nobody cares about your behavioral etiquette there. So learn the value systems which you received from the school as a student and take it forward to the roles you take in future. I'm sure you all will make a mark in the next 10 to 15 years. All the very best. Be proud of yourself. Further, I also extend my gratitude to the school management for inviting me here. I'm really honored by this gesture, and I take pride in being part of this school community. Wish you all good. Have a great day. Thank you so much.